हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हैदराबादी फूड हब। आज का वीडियो स्पेशल बनाया है बच्चों ने, तो ज़रूर इन्हें एनकरेज करें। थैंक यू।
Today we are making two types of croissants
and a cup of coffee.
First, I'm going to show you how to make croissant number 1. First, we have to slice it from the middle. And now we have to slice it diagonally. Same for the other side. Now we are going to separate the pieces. Now we're going to put chocolate spread. You can also put fruit jam if you would like to.
Now I'm gonna roll it.
Wow, that looks so good. Now I'm going to apply the egg wash on our mini croissants.
Now we're gonna make croissant number 2. Now I'm putting chocolate. I'm going to fold it.
Now I'm going to put egg wash on it. I'm going to fold it from the other side. And put egg wash on it. Now we just put the croissants in the oven and now we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Now we are making our delicious coffee. First, we're going to put 1.5 teaspoons of coffee powder. Now we are putting a little bit of sugar, but you can put it as per your taste. Now we're going to add a dash of water. Now we are going to whisk our coffee.
Now we are adding hot milk.
Now we are mixing our coffee. Now we are sprinkling a little bit of coffee powder. The coffee tastes so good. How does the croissant taste?
Very good, bro.
I know, right?
Good.
Wow.
Oh, look at that chocolate.